Effective techniques for relieving neck pain. Today, we're tackling a common issue that millions of people worldwide struggle with: neck problems. Whether it's due to poor posture, prolonged forward head position, or simply the wear and tear of daily life, neck issues can significantly impact our health and well-being. Our neck is crucial for our health because it houses the spine, which connects the brain to the rest of the body. Messages from the brain travel down the spine and through the nerves to control every function. When neck problems arise, they can cause headaches, neck pain, shoulder pain, arm tingling, numbness, tinnitus, vertigo, and more. Common neck problems. Many neck issues stem from problems with the discs between the vertebrae, such as bulging discs, herniated discs, or degeneration. Additionally, the sternocleidomastoid, SCM muscle, is often involved in neck pain. This muscle runs from the mastoid process behind your ear down to your collarbone, playing a key role in head movement and stability. Here are some great techniques to relieve neck pain. Cross-fiber massage. Use the knife edge of your hand to gently cross-fiber the SCM muscle. This technique helps release tension and improve mobility. If your skin is dry, apply a bit of lotion or oil before massaging. PNF stretching. This neuromuscular re-education technique helps trick the brain into relaxing tight muscles. Press your head into your hand for 5 seconds, then stretch the muscle further. Repeat this process to gradually increase your range of motion. Occipital stretch. To alleviate tension in the upper neck, perform a chin tuck and gently pull your head forward with your hands. This stretches the muscles at the base of the skull, helping to relieve headaches and improve neck mobility. Anterior SCM massage. Focus on the front part of the SCM muscle. Use your fingers to massage this area, relieving tension and addressing issues like coughing, throat problems, and jaw pain. Fork or spoon technique. Use the edge of a fork or spoon to massage the side of your neck. Apply lubricant and gently work the tool down the muscle, turning your head in small circles to target the muscle fibers. Maintaining good neck health. Remember to maintain proper posture, especially when texting or using a computer. Avoid hunching over and keep your head aligned with your spine to reduce strain on your neck muscles. I hope these techniques help you find relief from neck pain. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Stay healthy and take care of your neck! Stay tuned for more health tips and techniques. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!